Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that today it has happened. Ethereum has touched $500, and this is the first time since 2018, so it's a nice bullish step. Let's see how it can stay there. The second news is going to be about that the first company-sponsored Bitcoin retirement plans launched in the US. This is also a big step because now in retirement plans, you can think about investing in Bitcoin. I think this is also massive. And the third news, it's also a great one because OKEx, this kind of withdrawal function, it was postponed for a while, now actually more than a month, and they announced it that it will work again from next Friday. And this is actually a big thing. Let's see how it works out and talk about it. So guys, all this in today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're really interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency, you would like to stay up to date, I put these videos in YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day, you're getting the freshest news. You can simply stay up to date with us. Just hit the subscribe button next to the notification bell and all, so you get these kind of very important news every day. This is very important. And also we have a free course. Under this video, you can just click on the link and download it. And if you like this kind of content and you would like to sponsor the channel, then, also the link is under there. Check it out. You can be different kind of sponsors. You can be the coffee sponsor, which means you give €5 every month, and it's highly appreciated. It really helps my work. But if you decide to be a lunch sponsor, then of course you get much more. You get a monthly video, and you guys can vote what topic I should dig deeper into. And for those members who support us, €10 per month, they will see these videos. They can vote for the topic each month. It will start from the 1st of December. So whoever joins now, no money is taken, just from the 1st of December. And then the first topic will come out. And if you would like to be a VIP sponsor, your reward is that you're getting the same video that the launch sponsor, plus you're getting the monthly altcoin video, one altcoin analysis, which could be very promising at that time. And you get also a mug like this if you are a VIP sponsor. And you get the sticker, by the way, if you are a launch sponsor. Just reward. We can also give something back to you that you sponsor this channel. Okay, and now check out the market. So we have Bitcoin. Let's refresh. I love the freshest. Okay, 18,155, which is almost 4% increase since yesterday. So Bitcoin is back over 18,000. And Ethereum, as I said, today it has just touched 500, and now it came back a little bit, 495. This is a bit more than 5% increase. When we're looking at the gainers, SushiSwap, it's 28% plus. CurveDAO token, 24%. Wave, 24%. Look at these numbers, looking pretty good. Let's check out the losers. Blockstack, minus 8%. Hatchtrade, minus 4%. ABBC coin, minus 3%. And look, not really losers today. It's a green day so far. And then let's move on to the first news. So as you can see, it's a very fresh news here on Cointelegraph. And it says that Ethereum hits $500 the first time since June 2018. And, it's very important that people were for a while very pessimistic about Ethereum. Many of them said how far it is from its all-time high. And look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is almost there. What's happening with Ethereum? And Ethereum 2.0 is coming basically on the 1st of December. Phase 0 will be launched. And it's still no moves in Ethereum. And finally, probably because of Bitcoin, Ethereum started to move as well. But overall, in 2020, the largest altcoin, which is Ethereum, outperforms even Bitcoin. Year-to-date return stood at 284% for Ether and 155% for Bitcoin. So overall, Ethereum is not doing bad at all, to be honest with you. And yes, so there are many opinions, which will be Ethereum's future price, new all-time high. For example, Cointelegraph market analyst Michael van der Poop had argued that a new altcoin season, which hasn't started obviously, would need to wait. I mean, yes, also said, okay, it takes time, but that realistic top for Ether's new bull run could be as high as $20,000. But just think about it. If now it's at 500, at the beginning of the year, after the drop in March, it went down to 100 and something. How much gain is that? If it just goes to 5,000 from now, it's 10 times. If it goes to, let's say, 10,000, it's 20 times growth. And if you have bought it on a cheaper price, so not on today's price, then even bigger gain for you. So yeah, we'll see how the things will work out for Ethereum. Now it's great that actually it has touched $500. When we go here, because now it came back a little bit. You can see it. Look, it just touched it. Maybe on CoinGecko you cannot see it because it's $499.40, but there are obviously exchanges where it had reached 500. Now it came back a little bit, so we'll see. It will touch and then it will be rejected, or it will continue. It will be nice if it breaks it, stays there for a while, at least a couple of hours, so an hour candle can be closed that it was over 500, and then it can, of course, continue. Okay, second news. It's all about that the first company-sponsored Bitcoin retirement plans launched in the US. And US-based asset manager Digital Asset Investment Management, it's DAIM, has launched the country's first employer-sponsored 401k retirement plans supporting Bitcoin. And DAIM will serve as an advisor and fiduciary in helping companies create a 401k plan that offers several recommended model portfolios over varying risk to traditional assets and allocation of up to 10% to Bitcoin. So, which means it will be part of the portfolio up to 10%. But actually, this is the very important thing that they actually think about it. They include Bitcoin. We can now see how Bitcoin going into different areas very slowly, but showing great signs now. As we can see now, the institutional investors, we can see the reaction from many banks. They start to support cryptocurrencies. You know, rich people invest in Bitcoin and they, brag about it proudly. And now you can see that there is the first employer-sponsored retirement plan, and it will include Bitcoin. And, as it was in the past, it took a lot of time that they noticed Bitcoin. And maybe 10 years later, or even sooner, well, shouldn't say 10 years, altcoins will be part of the game as well. As you can see, Grayscale, for example, heavily investing in Bitcoin, but also very heavily in Ethereum and other altcoins. Because obviously, gains which we have seen in the Bitcoin since 2009 are not likely in the future. However, when we're looking at altcoins can be now the big gainers if you're really looking for this kind of crazy 100x and all these things, because it's very unlikely that Bitcoin goes in a couple of years 100x. So yes, and this will be offered by employers from 2021. So basically, next year it's starting. And we have seen the most demand for individuals between the age 28 and 45. So basically kind of the new generation, not the youngsters really, who are just finished uni and or in in very early stage, because many of them not even thinking about the retirement plans. However, those who are already have that in their mind and they belong to the younger generation, so not the ones who are retiring right now, they think about it would be clever to do Bitcoin, because who knows what will be in 10 years, 20 years, or whenever they retire, maybe it will be a great idea. At least not go, obviously not go all in. It's not what this is all about. We're talking about up to 10%. That's not that dangerous when we're looking at all the fundamentals and everything what Bitcoin represents right now. And the third news, it's in a way surprising news, because in the past, when you have seen exchanges suspending withdrawal for such a long time, and this one does it, OKEx does it since the 16th of October, so we're talking about more than a month, many of them then made an exit scam and kind of disappeared. And now they saying they will be back. And, yesterday there was the rumor that XU, or whatever you pronounce it, was released. And now it's not anymore arrested. And therefore, the whole thing, because he's one of the key holders to make this whole thing work, everything will be back. And if you remember that this Malta-based exchange, OKEx, was forced to suspend all accounts withdrawals on the October 16. It said because an unnamed holder of the keys to the crypto asset had been detained. And that's the guy now, after that figured out in the news. And the exchange said Thursday that it would restart withdrawals by next Friday. What a Black Friday offer. Next Friday, Black Friday. Black Friday by OKEx. Because the key holder had been released from assisting the authorities and has now returned to his normal business functions. And OKB, their token, recovered from a slump over the last month. OKB is now trading at $5.88, up to 23% since Wednesday. So because of this news went up. And here on their Twitter side, you can see the latest announcement, which is pinned to the top, that we pleased to announce that OKEx will be reopened withdrawals by November 27th. Which is next Friday. We are committed to building more high-quality products and enhancing the overall user's experience for everyone in the OK Fam. Reward campaigns coming soon. Stay close. So yes, they have to do now something, because just think about it. Many people are very upset with OKEx, and they are one of the biggest exchanges. So now that they open withdrawal, what can happen? Maybe people like rushing and want to take out their money because, whoa, just please not make this happen again. So now they have to come up with something. I'm really curious about the reward campaign, because those people who had their funds there, what will they do? How they will say thank you to them? Not that they could have any other option, the people. They just said, okay, what can I do? Like, I cannot withdraw it. But I would look for a kind of apology towards them, because this is unreal. Now the market went up like crazy in the last couple of weeks. And if you wanted to do something, withdraw the money because of this, you just couldn't do it. You could trade in OKEx, so basically you can play around, move things left to the right, but the things didn't look pretty good in the last month. You were very pessimistic. Why are you doing this on there? It's just gone forever. I don't care anymore. And now, good news. So we'll see what's happening next Friday, okay? We should be at that stage that, yes, it's reopened and how it's working, but it's promising that they made this announcement. So, guys, that's it for today. If you like this content, smash the like button. Thank you very much. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're really interested in crypto and blockchain, you can see that I'm making videos in the last half year. It started in May, every weekday. So if you just scroll back, you can see every weekday there are the fresh news, and this will continue. So if you would like to stay up to date, then I would definitely say subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, then all, so you get this news as soon as they're out. Free course available under this video, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You have nothing to lose. It's free, so you just learn from it. And there is another course, very great one, about Bitcoin and blockchain to understand the whole concept, which is crucial before now the bull market. And that course is available as well. The links are under this video. I wish you a great weekend. I'm making these videos every weekday, so Monday I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Until that, have a good one. Bye-bye.